What? Dog's nuts. Go! Come on, Coop. Meow. You are a badass, Cooper. You love the snow? Are you a snow dog of some sort? Loves the trampoline. Can't get rid of the trampoline. Are you tired out yet? Yep. She's snowing now, ladies and gentlemen. Check that out. At the beginning of the storm of 2018/19. What? Snowing up big times in the Picker Hood. This is the beginning. The calm before the big storm. She's coming in. It's raining big time in New York City. I'm going to watch the ball drop. New Year's Eve, ladies and gentlemen. What? See how much freaking snow we get by tomorrow. Oh, we got about 1 inch of snow already, ladies and gentlemen. Check that out. Steady snowfall in the Picker Hood. What? Roads are getting bad and shit. People are using extreme caution. Do not travel tonight. Plows are out already. I can hear a plow in the distance. Sounds like it's coming this way. They already plowed the road once. Ford City. Plow trucks. Sure we'll catch one tomorrow. They're already plowing shit. There ain't even 1 inch of snow yet. They gotta keep the roads clean. Here he comes. There he is. Sparks just a shoot. Look at it. Sparky! That's awesome. Salt shooting out the back. What? Are you shitting? Are you taking a big old shit? You shitting? Scrappy! But tomorrow you're gonna come out here and your nuts are gonna be dragging in the snow, boy. Check all the snow we got in the Picker Hood, ladies and gentlemen. What do you want? You think you're a big star, don't you? All the snow's sticking everything, look. It's pretty freaking cool. What? Dog's nuts. Yep, check the snow out in the Picker Hood. It's awesome. Icicles and shit. What? Snow on everything, even my radiator collection. Alright, let's see the snowfall, ladies and gentlemen. It's 10 o'clock in the friggin' afternoon. I just got up. What? Look at all the friggin' snow we got. Picker mobile is friggin' buried. I already shoveled a little bit because there's already a friggin' rift at the end of the driveway. There's a bird down there doing a little packing. Shit, we're blinded right out by the snow this morning. Main roads are clear. You can tell. We did get a shitload of snow last night. Look at it all. I got snow to shovel this morning. It's gonna suck. What? Friggin' shitload of snow. Look at it all. I was pushing it up into the yard and shit. I gotta shovel that out just to get out of the driveway. Second time already. But, holy shit, man. Time to start shoveling. Got some ice action going on. Extension cord's frozen right to the friggin' ground today. Good thing I got it for free. Got a big ass snow hill they got over there already. Oh yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, wintertime vlog with John the Picker. We got a bunch of snow in the Picker hood, as you can tell. Everything's all snowy. Mark from Alpena says it looks like a winter wonderland out there. I'm gonna have to agree with him on that. That's awesome. Mark from Alpena, check out his YouTube channel. He uploads videos of the parades and just what he's doing. That's pretty cool. We watch Mark from Alpena on YouTube. We're gonna go check out the town, see what's going on today. Everything's all snowed up. Maybe we'll see something cool go on. I got to go pay my power bill. So behind on the power, they're about to come blow my candles out. They said no lights at my house. Shit. They're about to come blow my candles out. Walmart's. Meyer on the right. What side of the road I want to concentrate on? $1.94 for gas. It went down even more. Somebody from Texas said it was $1.77 a gallon down there. Holy shit, man. We need them gas prices. $1.77 a gallon. They're doing it big in Texas. And all the gas for cheap. $1.96 there. They're 2 cents more. This doesn't add up to me. It's out. Strolling. Sandstone truck right there. Peter built that one. Peter did. State police would be pulling that guy over. We can't read your plates. Going to jail. Going to jail. Holy shit. Don's Ford Tractors right on the sign bus. Don's Tractor Sales. Nothing on it though. Oh, we gots to go. We gots to go. Cause when the shit goes down, you better be ready. When the shit goes down. Crap, I should have went over there and got that building. Looks like they were working on it today. All snowy and shit. Be climbing up on a skyscraper. They are. It's a little dangerous for me, boys. I'm scared of that kind. Especially when there's friggin' snow. I slip. My shoes have no grip, so we slip. Look at the friggin' trees. One time some guy come up and took all these friggin' turn signs out, hit every single one of them. Pop, 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 pop. Thought that was how to drive, just hitting the signs or something. There's friggin' frozen ice on the road. That's where you're getting all that big chunks of frozen ice. It rained, and then it snowed, and then it snowed some more, and then it froze, and then yeah. Holy shit, man. Got one headlight. So do we when we don't use our brights. I just realized that brakes on. There we go, we're good. Chick just staring me down. Little hottie. Ski. Holy shit, man. She must have seen the camera on the dashboard. Cannon on the dashboard. Oh, yeah. FedEx. Holy shit. FedEx. Freaking windows are starting to fog up because I ain't got my heat on. Turn the heat on, it's going to be running in the camera. Up here's our local projects. I spent lots of times in there. Northern Collision, he sponsors a bunch of bumping around people. Got a badass truck too. Sells plows and shit. Boss snow plows. Let's go out, bro. Go get that Mountain Dew. Projects. Lots of time up in there I spent. Used to play hockey out there in the parking lot. Lots of Mortal Kombat and shit. We used to listen to Bone Thugs and Harmony, play Mortal Kombat and Monopoly all the time. Street Fighter, Mortal Kombat. Mortal Kombat was their favoriteest game. Play projects. Budweiser Company. This used to be an old car wash. Just come up there, used to spray water out still after people would wash their cars. We'd take our bikes in there and wash those beasts up. The old building they closed down, there's people freaking picketing outside saying they wanted more monies. They shut the whole friggin' building down because it's shut down for a long ass time now. Big ass building too. ATI Casting. I don't know if they still do shit there or not. They should. The town is friggin' buried today, ladies and gentlemen. We'll get a shot over there. So I'm trying to like get both sides of the streets and it ain't really working for me. Old guy walking here. Walking his dog, you couldn't even see the friggin' thing. Shih Tzu. Little ankle biter. I'm gonna take a left, but I might as well just go right. The only thing that's left is one of the 3 McDonald's we got. Wendy's. Little Caesars and shit. I'm gonna go this way. See what's popping down this route. Got Nailers. Full of Nailers. They got some pretty good ass food there. Nailers has got some good food. We're right across from Sports Page. Friggin' John Boys. I almost forgot the name. Bunch of Dodge Rams. We love that kind. We love Dodge Ram big time. I want to get one of them new Dodge Rams. So we just put that in. Big ass staircase. Friggin' windows were tinted. Cops pulled us over, made us peel the friggin' tint off. Now there's shit all over the window. Still gotta get that off. Shelter on the right. Old boy riding his bike on the right. Get off the road, homie. Dairy Queen. Carpet sponges. Look at the big frozen spots of ice in the middle of the street. That sucks. Lots of people out today. shop. They probably been getting a lot of business at them tobacco shops selling them bombs and pipes. It's Michigan legalized marijuana. Our town opted out and selling pot, but they're a bunch of goofs anyways. They don't know nothing. Let's not make any money. Yeah, that's smart. Real smart. I'd rather not pay you guys taxes on it anyways. Holy shit, man. It's freaking ridiculous. It was up the price. It's already high enough. There's the freaking Christmas tree. Freaking Christmas tree. We're going downtown, ladies and gentlemen. Beast. Oh, is this a trolley? Oh, it's a plow. That's what I need at my house right there, that big ass thing. We'd really be getting some work done. Come on. This one's a bitch. There's the city police down there turning the corner. We're going this route. I gotta go pay my freaking power bill. We'll go up here. I'll turn right where the new Holiday Inn is. If we can get down there, they got the freaking thing blocked off like a bunch of goofs. Well, we'll go up and pay the power bill and then come back around. Check out down this route. I don't go down this route very often. Alpena Furniture, if you ever need any furniture or anything, go to Alpena Furniture, ladies and gentlemen. All your furniture needs, carpet and everything. They got big ass rolls of carpet up in there. JJ's, they got a big ass billboard, that's pretty sweet. Flashes deals all day long. Ozone used to sit up in that park over on the left. Salvation Army used to be right there where that ice cream shop is. What? Salvation freaking Army. There's the, looks like the cops, but it's not. You got a cop looking car. Your Honda Trooper, whatever the fuck it is. Holy shit, man. Beg my pardon for the language. What the hell are you doing? I ain't even turned yet. You're trying to turn the corner. Retarded. Alright, we're gonna go down this route. I'll show you where the local power company is. This road's twice as worse as the last one. Went through the village, some kid got all pissed. I almost had to kick his ass. What? I almost had to kick some ass. Or this old place right here, some guy owned it, had it packed full of shit. It was like a hoarder. They had brand new posters in there and all kinds of shit. He was giving me car posters. Ferraris on it and stuff. Cool. Oh, it's my aunt's old house. The guy was shoveling in it. My aunt's old house. She bought me every freaking video game I ever had in my entire life, ladies and gentlemen. Lady that lived back there at the corner. Let's see, we should go. I think we should probably go. Go slow around the corner. There's the skate park right up there, straight in front of you. Friggin' skate park. Big ass water tower. I gotta go to the friggin' power company before they send old Big Red over. Big Red will kick the friggin' door down. Pull my meter. He's a badass, boys. They can friggin' open today. Looks like the friggin' place is closed. Better be open. Doesn't even look like it. They're probably not open. It's 4 o'clock. Oh fuck, they're only open till 4. Shit! We're a little late, boys. Looks like we're gonna be lighting the house with candles now. Son of a bitch. Should have got up here earlier. Red's gonna be kicking the friggin' door down in the morning. Kicking the door down in the morning. Everybody knows Red, I'm sure. If you ever own a power bill, he's the guy that comes, kicks your door down, beats on it like a maniac. It's the one that beats on it like a maniac, treats you like crap over $100 that you don't even owe. They're estimating my power bill. I didn't even owe him the money. He pulled my goddamn power meter out. That's how smart he is. And they finally read the meter, and the next bill I got was like $10. I said, "Are you sure this is right? My bills have been 190 some." She's like, "Oh, that's because they were estimated." I said, "Well, that means he just ripped my friggin' meter out over money I didn't even owe him. Sons of a bitch." Treat you like shit. Make you pay a friggin' deposit because you ripped your meter out. You didn't even know the friggin' money yet. That was unbelievable. One month they tried to charge me like $500, $600 for a month of power because they didn't read the meter right. Unbelievable. Mistake after mistake up there, but you know, customer pays for it, so it don't matter. Just telling you. Alright. We're headed back towards the Picker Mansion. Big ass Ford. I don't know why they got Jeeps up there. I don't even like Jeeps that much. Especially the little Wranglers you get in the back seat and you can't even sit back there. Shit. Went from a Alpena to Gaylord in one of them Jeep Wranglers and my legs were so cramped at the end of the ride, it was unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. I imagine the big Wranglers with the extra doors and shit are good. The 2-door ones ain't very good for passengers. Scar! Holy shit, that looked like the cop. Nick's Southside Diner's got a cop car. Unbelievable. Shoot, I wanted to tape something. I forgot what it was. Oh yeah, that building. Shiv, looking up at the sky, watching the snowfall. Tis be the life in northern Michigan, ladies and gentlemen. Holy shit, there's one. There's one for you. Probably the same one I just seen up here. Vacuum sitting there in the garbage. Steam mopper. Consolidated fruit on the right. I delivered shit for them before. Goes all the way from Alpena to like Tawas, dropping shit off at every place on the route. Quality fruits and vegetables. Shit, I can't see nothing. Alright, we're off. Car care. They're pretty reasonably priced. Nice guy that gets up in there. Listen to the Dodge boys. Oh yeah. That's what I want. Ripping. Alright. 7-Eleven's officially closed. Holy smokes, I went in there around Christmas time, got some Christmas presents. Ladies all got so many customers in there, she didn't know what to do. She's like, they're all so nice. Thinking, yeah. Bet they're nice. Because they're stoned. 22 friggin' degrees out. Going the speed limit. A couple miles over, this guy's passing me like, get the hell out of my way. Speed limit's too friggin' slow. Guy on the wrong corner. I thought this was the guy with the garden. It is. Yeah, this guy with the garden. Friggin', I don't know what happened to him. He had a badass garden every year. Look at it. They didn't even pick it, I don't think. Probably the last garden we'll see there. I don't even think he's around anymore, ladies and gentlemen. He did a badass garden, had the biggest pumpkins you ever want to see. Winter Wonderland, Alpena, Michigan, 2019. The big snowstorm so far. Need to get a GoPro dash mount cam. Friggin' everybody still got their garbages out. What the frig's up with that? Seen a plow yet. One plow that they plowed me in big time this year. Holy shit, man. Sometimes it's good to just sit here because you'll see somebody slide right through the light. Driving like a madman, sliding through the lights. Welcome to Slop Fest 2019, ladies and gentlemen. Meow, meow, meow. Ooh, they got that's smashed up. That sucks. Chevy HHR, I think. Chevy. Volkswagen wagon. Shaggin' wagon. Let's go check the progress out on the big building. The big bank headquarters, ladies and gentlemen. Everybody's wondering why they even need a headquarters around here. They're like, we even got that bank in our town. Why are they building the headquarters here? Well, we got it now. Talking about shit. Shit. They're doing a little vehicle maintenance up in Walgreens Park. Little vehicle maintenance. Scared. Don't go. Scared. Oh yeah, they're working up in there today. That'd be nuts. I'd love it though. Make it look probably making all kinds of cash. Making tons of cash. Cash on that ass. These boys. What? The crew boys. Freaking crews. The lift. It's friggin' cold out too, 20-some friggin' degrees. They're busting ass. It's pretty friggin' cool. Money. There's the layout of the bank, ladies and gentlemen. The headquarters. Lots of steel up in that beast. What a big ass lift right there. For Christmas, they had a friggin' Christmas tree up on top of that beast. What? Scared. What? Danger. Do not enter. Don't be a jackass. Do not enter up in there. What? It's crazy. They're doing some shit over here too, look. Tyveked it all off. Right over here's the Michigan State Police headquarters. They got a trailer back there and some other shit. A couple cop cars. Whole building full of sea shit. Townsend building. Usually it takes forever to get out of these places. Today, we're doing pretty good. Yep, I just made some money off that building, you know, just tape it, put it on YouTube. Everybody that worked on it will be on there checking it out, seeing what I got to say. Nothing really, but looks pretty good. Did it quick too. They do not play around with that crew. Hillman, 22 miles. Atlanta, 36. We're going to be there one of these days watching Snowdrift. Gaylord, 69 miles away. Holy shit, man. Walmart's on your right. So is McDonald's. Jimmy Chen's Hunan Restaurant's a good place to eat some Chinese. I'm John the Picker. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm officially going to be out here in about 2.2 seconds because I'm going to be in my house. Holy shit, man. We're going to be at the Picker residence. I got to continue driving in this snowdrift. Hopefully we get some good racers at the rally this year. We want to see Subarus. We want to see some Ken Blocks. I already know Ken Block's co-driver is going to be there. That's what I read on the internet anyway. Fatella's going to be there. That's going to be a good car to tape. I'm John the Picker. I'm out. Oh yeah. Dodge. Look at the sign. Megas. They got a nice ass sign. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year.